friends. This is Rashmi Pandey from Desi Girl magazine, and today we are here. And happy Friday to all of you. So we have a very special guest. Um, she's a belly dancer, and she's a wonderful artist. So we just thought that let's have a chat with her and share her experience. So I'm gonna invite her. So just be patient. I'm inviting her. Here we go. So how's everyone today? Everyone relaxed. This is Friday, and hopefully everyone is having a good time. And I've just invited her.
Hello.
Hi. Hi,
Hi.
Midhavi. How are you?
I am all good. How are you?
Thank you so much. And welcome to Desi Girl magazine. And thank you so much for coming.
Thank
We are
you.
really
Thank you for
excited.
inviting me. You can hear me though, right?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
Definitely. So,
Okay.
yeah, it was a long time, talking to you.
I
Finally,
know, right? I
finally
know.
we're here. Yeah, so am I taking your name correctly? Medhavi, that's right?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for pronouncing it right.
Thank you. Okay, so Medhavi, just the starting. Can you just tell our viewers about you? I mean, where were you born and your life? A little bit about you.
Okay, so myself, I am Medhavi Mishra and I am a belly dancer. I'm an artist and
Mm-hmm.
I've been belly dancing since 8 years now
Wow.
professionally. And I teach worldwide. I have students all over the world, and I do a lot of other things as well. Like except for dancing, I paint
Yeah.
as well.
Yes.
And I am born in. I'm from India. I'm born in Jabalpur, which is in Madhya Pradesh in here,
Yeah.
and
Such a
I'm
nice.
raised in here only. Yes.
Oh, that's so wonderful. नहीं मैं खुद आपका देख रही थी कि आप ना सिर्फ एक बेली डांसिंग ही करती हैं बल्कि यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट आल्सो सो
Yes.
मैं उस पॉइंट पे भी आने वाली थी कि और इतना इतना अच्छा कि मैं बता नहीं सकती दैट्स रियली
Thank you so much.
वंडरफुल
Thank you. Thank you.
सो मेधावी आज जैसा कि आपने कहा कि आपने शुरुआत की 8 साल की उम्र से तो मतलब कैसे ये शुरुआत हुई बेली डांसिंग की एंड व्हाई बेली डांसिंग ओनली आई मीन हाउ कम
Actually, I started performing 8 years back. You know, it has
Uh-huh.
I've come across like 8 years
Uh-huh.
by like performance wise. But I
Right.
started like at the age I do not even remember when I started because I was
Oh,
really young when I saw Shakira for the first time and I got inspired
oh.
from her.
Uh-huh.
And I was really small. We did not even had, I did not had access to YouTube as well at that time. So I do
Hmm.
not remember, but I was
Uh-huh.
inspired at that age.
Uh-huh.
And then I started, looking up for this art form and
Mhm.
then, watching performances and learning
Mhm.
it.
No, that's really wonderful. तो
Yeah.
जब आपने स्टार्ट किया आई मीन whenever so मतलब did anything came to your mind that that a particular form only you will go or just belly dancing because dances तो कई हैं it's just not
हाँ जी.
there are traditional there are
Hmm.
classical there are other kinds
Hmm.
of dance also so
Yes.
did when you started how did it happen that okay I'll go for this form only for belly dancing only कुछ ऐसा था क्या दिमाग में कि मतलब कि it just happened
Actually, I am also a Kathak dancer. I've been
Oh,
trained in Kathak as well.
wow.
But like I am close to my, classical art forms as well, but
Mhm,
are
mhm,
Indian classical art forms. But
mhm,
like with belly dancing, I thought, I
mhm,
don't know why I feel like it's the best part in me, and I have a little bit of more, affection
mhm,
towards this art form.
mhm.
I don't know why. Maybe it's just, I guess it's just in, it's so much implanted in my soul that I want to do this more,
Right,
more
right,
often.
right.
Yes.
So who was your inspiration जब आपने start किया? Who was the inspiration behind it? कि this magic happened. How this? Who was it?
Actually, as I told you, like I saw Shakira for the first time.
Uh-huh.
So she was the first inspiration.
Oh.
Then when I went on YouTube, I started searching for performances
Mhm.
and all.
Mhm.
Then I saw Sadie Marquardt. She's from
Mhm.
USA and she is my biggest inspiration. I love
Oh.
her. She's my biggest inspiration. I'm crazy about her, and it's like if I want to learn this art from, I
Mhm.
would learn from her.
Mhm.
I had
Right.
this, ne ziddi, I had this thing
Uh-huh.
of stubbornness inside of me for her. So she is my
Right.
biggest inspiration.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Yeah.
No, no, that's really great. And like you did got some any any training when you started, or I mean any technical training, or you just watched some video and just I mean how did you started doing that?
Actually, I am a self-trained dancer, so
Okay.
this is actually magical for me because I am self-trained and I haven't got any training for like years or like even for
Mm-hmm.
month in
Mm-hmm.
belly dancing, and I haven't found a single teacher in Jabalpur as well. So it was,
Mm-hmm.
a bit of a struggle, but I
Mm-hmm.
managed to do it from watching performances and
Mm-hmm.
then watching tutorials and also doing some workshops.
Mm-hmm.
But like, I'm a self-trained dancer. I'm still a self-trained dancer.
That's really very inspirational, truly inspirational. And there are
Yes.
so many girls they want to, get ahead and start with this, not just this form, any kind of dance and all that.
Hmm.
So, exactly, what kind of things you would like to tell them that they should go ahead? अगर वो लोग स्टार्ट करना चाह रही हैं स्टार्टिंग में तो उन्हें कैसे स्टार्ट करना चाहिए? क्या कोई प्रोफेशनल हेल्प लेनी चाहिए या फिर मतलब किसी स्कूल में जाना चाहिए, ट्रेनिंग लेनी चाहिए कि कैसे करना चाहिए उन्हें?
I also guess, it's a personal choice. It's like if they want to go for a teacher, they can. If they can afford, they can definitely go. They should
Mhm.
get a teacher, and
Mhm.
if they cannot, if they're like, they if they're in that development stage, so
Mhm.
I tell my students also that watch as many performances as you can because
Mhm.
observation will help you a lot in
Mhm.
learning. A
Right.
lot, not a lot. It's like observation is everything. So once
Mhm.
you just watch the performances, you do not have to do anything,
Mhm.
and your
Mhm.
body will start, understanding what's happening,
Right.
and it will eventually start doing it. That's what happened with me as well.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. So when you started, what was the reaction of your family? Did they supported you in this, or what kind of help you got from them?
When I started, they were actually very supportive when I started because I was a kid, and it was very
Mhm.
new for people to see. Like,
Mhm.
in Jabalpur, it was very new for people to see, and
Yeah.
so they were very supportive, and they're still very supportive. Like as much, they are
Mhm.
supportive as in the best they can do in
Mhm.
their level, and when I talked about that I want to make a career out of it, then the
Right.
problem came because then they were like,
Uh,
we were expecting you to just do it like a hobby, or
hobby. That's right.
just,
Yeah.
yeah, not to make it as a career because you're a female obviously, and this
Yes.
country and this blah blah and these
Yes. Yes.
norms,
Yes.
the prejudices about the dance form, and also
Right.
like you won't get any respect, you would be disrespected for your whole life
Yes.
because you do something like that, and you
Uh-huh.
won't make any stable career out of it. So I had to
Right.
hear a lot, and
Mhm.
but then they also understood. With time they understood that
Mhm.
yes, she is determined and she can do anything to to prove that all of these things are
Right.
just a different perspective, and
Mhm.
it's not right.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
I can they also say that I'm being committed, me being
Mhm.
committed to this
Mhm.
art form is like it has really helped them to understand,
Right.
and
Right.
now they try to support me as much as they can, and I'm really grateful.
Yeah, actually आपने मेरा next question का ही आंसर दे दिया क्योंकि it happens कि especially in India and South Asian culture like
Yes.
okay dance painting or whatever that's a
Yeah.
that's a hobby okay you do it that's good but
Yes.
Yeah, but you should have a
If you
career,
want to
you
be an
know?
artist, then it
Yes,
will create a problem in this
you should
country
have a
because
proper career, right?
yes,
So
yes.
it always happened. That has always been happening, not just
Mm,
for us, like to all the time.
yes,
So that
I
was
know,
my
right?
question कि कैसे आपने किया, क्योंकि कन्विंस करना इतना इजी भी नहीं होता है पेरेंट्स को, क्योंकि
It's
उन्हें भी
not.
वो दिखता है, क्योंकि सोसाइटी भी वैसी है,
Hmm.
and it's not easy,
Yes.
dancer banna hai, and if you are in classical something they can really understand also, but
Yeah.
sometimes belly dancing still it's kind of an emerging kind of a thing. I don't I may be wrong, but the thing is that कैसे आपने हैंडल किया, क्योंकि बहुत से लोगों के मन में प्रेजुडिसेस होते हैं कि भाई ये कैसा है क्या नहीं है, तो
Hmm.
इट्स काइंड ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन कि कैसे वो किया जा सके, क्योंकि मतलब आपको किस तरह के स्ट्रगल्स और फेस करने पड़े जब आपने ये सोचा कि मुझे ये एज अ करियर लेना है?
First struggle was just from my home. So I has had to start from my home, from my parents,
हम्म,
from my family, and
हम्म,
like what
हम्म,
do they think about this? And they were like, they were trying
हम्म,
to make me understand that it's not the right option for me to
हम्म,
opt.
हम्म, हम्म,
But you know, I knew that I cannot, nothing I say will, change anything in their head.
हम्म,
So
हम्म,
I knew the only option I had was
हम्म,
to make this, to prove this by my
हम्म,
actions. That
राइट,
is why I'm working so much, and I want to grow this as much as I can because I want to prove this that that I am determined, and yes, that this can be changed. This perspective can be changed. So this was the first first struggle, which and the others include like the on internet, like you'll find people who are not happy with their lives, and you
yes,
will find people who do not
yes,
actually understand what art is,
right,
and they will try to demean you.
yes,
And it is I know people say that you should ignore and this and that, but it gets really
yes,
gets really difficult when you have to hear something like that. But
true,
then like I eventually we eventually come out of it, and
yes,
we like keep on telling us that no, it's not true. Again,
right,
that's
right,
not true,
yes,
and we're doing something very pure. And also it's
mhm,
as you said that
mhm,
you said that it's kind of an emerging dance form.
right,
Like also like in India, it's know about this that it was also very traditional. Belly dancing is very
yes,
traditional.
very traditional,
Like if you see costumes, if you see
mhm,
if you see that goddesses and the people who used the
mhm,
things people used to wear in
right,
back
right,
back then,
yes,
you will understand that a lot of things came to this art
mhm,
from other
right,
countries, not
yes,
from India, and
right,
like from India, and even yoga. A lot of steps came from
mhm,
yoga.
बिल्कुल,
So
yes,
it is very traditional.
yes,
It is very
it
traditional. It
is,
is very it is the oldest dance form. It is
I
the
know,
oldest dance form as it emerged from Egypt,
right,
the first ever civilization. Yes.
yes, it is very beautiful. Coming to the point, it is whenever I've interviewed many people,
Yes.
girls like who are creating content, they are into video creation, they are in
Mm.
dancing, or this thing always comes up, like how to deal with the negative comments, because in these days social media, everyone, I was interviewing one, and she said that okay, they can come and they can say anything
Mm.
on the internet,
Mm.
that's very easy, but if you
Yes.
ask the same person to come and stand in front of you and tell, they
Yeah.
will, yeah,
They
it's
won't be
so
able to.
it's difficult. And so yeah, definitely, because many people, they get scared, because if I'm like over here on the internet, everybody is watching me,
Hmm.
you know it's like anyone can say anything. So
Yes.
definitely the struggle which you were telling me, I could relate to, and I will tell all the girls, please, please don't bother by these things, because these things will happen. People will come, they will say something, they can be good, they can be bad, but we have to deal with it. And
Yes.
that's,
Exactly.
yes, and that's how you people really inspire so many people. That's the best part of it.
Thank you.
Okay, moving to my next question.
Yes.
When you started belly dancing, like when
Yes.
you were like into it, when did you you're not just a dancer, you also in a teacher, right? And you are teaching
Yes.
so many students. And how did it came to your mind that you should start, imparting these knowledge to others? How did it happen? Did you I mean, just a little bit about how you do you have your own dancing studio, and how did it started? Just
Actually, I won't say that it's not my studio because they are kind of my family. I work for these
okay.
people, and I dance in Move the Dance Space. It's a
Hmm.
studio in here in
Okay.
Jabalpur, and I work for them.
Okay.
And I've started teaching professionally after they have,
Hmm.
called me and
Hmm.
they wanted me to be a faculty in there.
Oh,
So then I started, yes, there, from there.
okay. Yeah.
Yes.
No, that's really wonderful. So so about talking that you are also trained in the Kathak. So do you practice Kathak also, or you are just now specializing in belly dancing only?
I'm struggling to practice Kathak nowadays because I'm too much into belly dancing and teaching a lot, and
Yes.
all of my time goes into teaching
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
now, and making videos for Instagram
Yes.
and
Yes.
stuff.
Yes.
So I am struggling with Kathak, and also I used to go to a class for that, and I left for some reasons,
Hmm.
so I had to discontinue it. But yeah,
Okay.
I still do it sometimes. I still
Yeah.
feel like doing it. I still practice sometimes.
Yes. Because
Yes.
when I saw one of your video, you were traditionally dressed, and I really liked
Yep.
it because it was a kind of a fusion which you were
Yep.
doing. Like it looked like it has some fusion of the Indian classical with belly
Yes.
dancing. So that was a very wonderful idea. I really liked it. Personally, I really liked that video. It was so wonderful, mesmerizing, I will
Thank
say.
you so much. Thank you so much. It has been my best performance so far, I guess.
Yeah, so that was my
Yes.
next question. What is a best
I'm
dance? You always
yes.
answer first.
I'm really sorry.
No, that's
It
fine
just happened. It
actually.
just happened.
You're kind of
Okay.
reading my mind. What's next coming
Yeah.
to? So, what that was your best performance? I mean, for you. I mean, it does not matter. It has to be viral or people like it or no. What is close to your heart? I wanted to know. Which
The
dance?
performance you were talking about, it's
Yeah,
my
that.
favorite one till now because I had to put so much thought into it,
Mhm,
and I made it like I wanted to make it look like a
mhm,
masterpiece for me. I'm not
mhm,
sure if I justified it yet, but I tried my best. And
mhm.
with the music, it was really challenging for me to dance in that kind of a music
Mhm,
because it was like coming out of the box, and I was like,
mhm,
when I was suggested this music was suggested to me from there only, from my teacher there in Move.
mhm,
But he was like, you should dance in this track, and I was like, no, I'm not comfortable in these kind of, when I cannot find any beats, and how will I do it? But when I heard that song, everything came rushing to me, like all the thoughts came rushing to me. That South Indian theme, I'm
mhm.
obsessed with how South Indian people, they dress up, their culture and everything, and I just wanted to put everything into that performance. So yeah, it is my best so far.
Yeah, you truly did it. That's really wonderful.
Thank you so much.
And talking about social media, how you started to thought that okay, once you started doing that, going to the Instagram and posting your videos, how did it
Hmm.
all? Because you're not just dancing and all doing all these things. You are kind of creating you're a video content creator also. So how did that started? When did you got into mind that I should, start posting these videos and all because you have such got a big fan following? How did
Yes.
you this thing came to your mind?
Back then when I started, we did not even have, reels or anything. I'm not sure. Like Instagram was really new, I guess, like that. I don't know for like I know it wouldn't have been new, but it was very new for,
Mhm. Yes.
us, and it was not that trendy at that time. But I saw people, like, I saw artists
Yeah.
posting their video, and I was like, I want to do it. Let's just do it. Like, I don't care how I look. I don't care. If you see my first video, you would be like, oh my God, what is she doing? You'd be like, oh my God, she's looking very, ugly, sort of a thing. But look, I just kept my phone somewhere and just recorded myself. And I was
Hmm.
like, I just want to post it. I just wanted to post it. And that's how it started. Like, and then I started getting appreciation from people. People, told me that you're good at this. You should post
Hmm.
more videos. And I was like,
Hmm.
yeah, okay.
Hmm.
Then it happened, and you know,
Yeah.
then it became the best part of my life.
Yes. Yes.
So I never thought, like, really I can be in here. I actually thought, but it's like it's kind of very
Yeah.
unexpected that I went viral
Yeah.
one more time with Manohari and all. So
True.
it was really unexpected for me. I
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is how I started.
Yes. Yes. Definitely. So now when you create videos, do you use some professional photography or something? Or if somebody wants to know, any girl
Hmm.
who's watching, like, do you use by your own camera or, I mean, phone, or do you use hire some professional photographer or a video, the one who makes or how do you do it? I mean, your videos.
Not really.
I'm talking
Any
about the
prof.
technical
We have
aspect.
what? Can you say
No,
that again?
नो आई मीन जब आप बनाती हैं तो फिर वो अपने ही कैमरे से बना रही हैं कि किसी की हेल्प लेती हैं somebody is helping you टेक्निकली मैं पूछ रही थी कैसे वीडियो
Okay.
क्रिएट करती हैं उसको शूट कैसे
Uh,
करती हैं यू आर डूइंग जस्ट बाय योर ओन फोन लाइक यू सेड आपने
hmm.
स्टार्टिंग में किया था उसको वैसे ही
Yeah.
करती हैं कि उसका और उसकी एडिटिंग वगैरह जब करती हैं सो डू यू टेक एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम आउटसाइड और यू जस्ट डू इट बाय एवरीथिंग बाय योरसेल्फ
Okay, so when I started, I used to, take my phone and try to. I did not even had a tripod, so I kept
या
it, anywhere I could
या
find, anything
यस
stable, and then I
एनीथिंग
recorded. I used to record myself,
यस
and it is really struggling when a person, does this alone. I had
यस
to take 20 and a lot of takes if I was, when I was working
Right,
alone,
right.
when I was just
Yeah.
doing this at my
Mm-hmm.
home. But then when I went to move, when I started teaching there
Mm-hmm.
as I said, they're like a family, so they help me, and we
Mm-hmm.
also record our videos through
Mm-hmm.
phone only. But they like anybody from there just comes and just helps me
Mm-hmm.
by recording my video
Mm-hmm.
and editing of that. We do not actually edit our videos of that sort. We do not go
Yeah.
like nowadays. You see nowadays dancers are like editing videos a lot. They like zoom in and they zoom out.
Mm-hmm.
I do not do that. The
Yeah.
We do not have anybody to do that for us, I guess. But
Let's see.
like I do not know how to do that actually.
Right.
I
Okay.
know people who are helping me out. They, if
Yeah.
they are hearing, I'm sorry. It's like I
Yeah.
know that but it's like I cannot do that. So I just post it simply, like
Hmm.
the way it was recorded.
It is. Right.
And yes, I just अब जितना ज़्यादा मुझसे हो सकता है वो बस इतना है कि मैं
हाँ,
ट्रिम कर देती हूँ और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा म्यूजिक डाल देती हूँ. तो that's it.
बिल्कुल. No, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Because बहुत से ऐसे लोग होंगे जो वो बनाना चाहते हैं, करना चाहते हैं, बट बहुत से लोगों को टेक्निकली भी समझने की तो मैं वो भी कोशिश कर रही थी कि जो व्यूअर्स हैं उन लोगों को ये भी पता चले कि मतलब कि उसको कैसे किया जाता है. If they have something in mind, they get an idea. Okay,
I would
now
I would
come.
just suggest people to take help from others if you're like me, because
Yes.
I'm really bad at technically once I'm very bad. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, too
Yeah.
good.
So you were saying.
Okay. Okay. The next question about your art. How did it happen? क्या starting से ही आप art painting में भी interested थी and कि नहीं मतलब कैसे because I saw that I was really mesmerized जब मैंने आपकी वो painting देखी. That's so beautiful actually. Really
Thank you
very
so
beautiful.
much. Thank
So
you.
how do you do it just as a hobby और मतलब क्योंकि वो बहुत परफेक्शन के साथ में है मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि it's just like you can say it's a beautiful form of art. So how did that
Thank you so
happen?
much.
Yeah.
That happened. I was I guess in fourth standard when I started taking classes from
Mhm.
in here in Jabalpur, and I learned till sixth standard. So I had 2 years of like summer vacations. I used to go to my teacher, and he used to teach me, and from there I started, and then I was doing it like as a hobby. But in college, I opted drawing and painting as a subject as well,
Oh,
fine arts as a
wow.
subject as well. So yeah, I am like in constant work
Wow.
with that as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
या तो उसकी बहुत ज्यादा वीडियोस आप डालती हैं कि क्या उसका अलग से आप रखती हैं? आई मीन इट्स जस्ट समथिंग यू डोंट पुट मच इनटू द सोशल मीडिया?
You can say like I'm not too much dedicated with that. Like I'm dedicated with
ओके.
belly dancing, but it's like um,
हम्म.
I paint, like I paint, but it's just for me. It's
ओके.
just for me. When people say that you should make a career out of it, or you should just sell your paintings or this and that, I was like,
Yeah.
no, I don't want to do it because I just like doing it for myself. I have this
Right,
thing,
right.
so I just I made that painting for myself,
Yes.
and and yes, and also for I also paint because I have projects like as like I
Mhm.
told you, I have a
Right.
subject,
Mhm.
so I'm working with the
Yes.
projects as well, assignments as well. Yes.
ओके, मेरा नेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, इफ नॉट बेली डांसिंग देन व्हाट? क्या करती हैं आप?
If not belly dancing, it's a very tough question. I don't know what my life would be without it. Like, let me think. Let me think. So
Yeah.
yeah, it is painting, and if I tell you I sing, you won't ask me to sing right now, right?
Oh, please, we want you to
Dancing.
sing a line, then wow, oh my God.
No, just please don't do this because I have a lot of
No,
social
really,
anxiety as
just
well.
one
So
liner, whatever you like.
I knew it. So,
Wow,
I
yes.
sing sometimes. I do not sing like, professionally, or I know
Right.
I'm not too good at it, but singing, and I am too much connected with arts like
Yes,
Kathak and
yes,
Bharatnatyam, and I'm too much
yes.
obsessed with art. So I know I would have
Yeah.
been, an artist if I
Right,
wasn't a belly dancer.
right. Please sing a
Yeah.
line for us, please.
Oh my God.
Just one line.
I know it won't be just one line because people will be
Fine.
like, "Oh my God, she just actually," I any other time, please, please,
Okay, okay,
just
no problem, please. No problem.
yeah.
Okay. It was a wonderful interview. And coming to the last question of our interview,
Okay. Yeah.
see, what will you like? The South Asian culture, how it is, and especially for the girls. So,
Yeah.
what advice you like to give to all the Desi girls of the world to inspire them to do something? What kind of thing you like to say to all, not just Desi girls, everyone actually. You know. So, please go ahead and tell what advice you like to give to them.
Actually, a lot of things. Like when I teach, like I come across new people almost every day. I teach different women, across world. So some of them, they're like, they ask me if, ma'am, I have, I'm healthy. I'm, a little bit fat. Can I do this art form? So I'm
Yeah.
like, oh my God, who implanted you this thought inside of you that you cannot do it? Like that your body is, imperfect. So
Right.
I just want everybody to know
Mm.
that your body is doing so much for you,
Yeah.
and it just needs acceptance. The
Yeah.
one thing which is like I always say that this is the beauty of belly dancing is that it, gives you this thing that makes you accept the way you are.
Right.
So the more muscles you have, the more elegant, the more graceful it will look in your body. So I
Yeah.
just tell this that, just, take this thought out that you're not perfect, that your body isn't
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Nobody is.
Right.
Trust me, nobody is.
Yeah.
Even I struggle with, a lot of
Mm.
issues sometimes with my body, but I know like when I started, belly dancing professionally, I knew I had to accept my body the way it is. Otherwise, and when I did that, it started changing for good. Like
Yeah.
people used to come and tell me that, you're too skinny, you don't eat anything. I know because of, this thing, the body shaming thing, we
Yeah.
lose a lot of
Yeah.
our confidence. We
Yeah.
women, we demean ourselves. We keep on thinking we do not look good. We are not,
Yes.
our skin is like this and this and that. So I
Yeah.
just want
True.
everybody to know that
Mm-hmm.
if you want to start something, do it. And no matter what shape or size you are, you're beautiful the way your body is doing so much for you in this pandemic also. So it needs
Right.
to have more credit.
Right.
And also,
Definitely.
if somebody's telling you not to do something, just because you're a female,
Mm-hmm.
you cannot wear something, if you cannot, like belly dancing, we have this, these gorgeous
Mm-hmm.
costumes, and people cannot accept it for some reasons, because
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, because we are females.
Yeah.
So I just want everybody to, fight against it a little, that, we are females and people have to accept it, that this is our right.
Right.
This is how we look. These are our body parts and they should be respected. We should be respected.
Definitely.
Right. So I just wanted to,
Definitely.
put this out there, and I just want people to understand this more.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely, it was awesome. I really want everyone to listen how that's why we're bringing these stories
Yeah.
to inspire all these wonderful women and everyone, men, women, children, everyone who
Yeah.
wants to do something, and please go ahead and go and achieve it. So it was so
Yes.
nice, lovely talking to you.
Same
Thank you
here.
so much for coming.
Thank you. Thank you
You.
for inviting me.
Oh, thank you
I'm
so
really
much.
grateful. Okay.
No, thank you so much. Okay, take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.